buying this Harley was a mistake. Now, YouTube is a funny thing here, isn't it? And into a golf cart channel, right? I've been getting some views lately, but it seems all of my views are coming from 3 videos that were all put out over a year ago, and all with the Tiger. One of them was my first impressions video on the Dunlop Trail Max missions, and then I've got a 1,000-mile update on those same tires, and then a video about my first road trip on the Tiger, taking that thing down to Virginia. Those 3 videos consistently, every day in the analytics section, there's a YouTube Studio. Well, even actually just like that first page that you click on there, it'll tell you, you know, your most views in the last 48 hours and what videos got those views. And consistently, those 3 are always getting views. And I'm not talking just like, you know, 10 or 12. They're getting, you know, 60 views every 48 hours. And I don't, you know, I guess it would be considered evergreen content because people want to know about the tires that are, you know, that I put on there. And people want to know, hey, how's the Tiger for a road trip? It almost makes you think, strictly from a YouTube standpoint. Man, keep getting distracted by all these squirrels. So strictly from a YouTube analytic type point of view, buying this Harley was a mistake. I obviously get more views off of my Triumph Tiger content. I don't know, maybe I'll go see if the dealer sold it yet. I'll go buy it back. Ah, kidding. Now, like I said, that was strictly from a YouTube analytic perspective. Ooh, man, words are hard. That's what she said. As far as ownership of the bike, nah, I'm not getting rid of this thing. I love this bike. This thing is just too much fun to ride. And if you own one, then you know. If you don't, you know, someday, maybe you'll grow up. It's just so funny how some videos will just do so much better than others. I mean, I've got one video, and I'm excluding shorts because shorts are weird, and sometimes the weirdest things will get thousands of views on a YouTube short, and something that you think is really cool might get 50 views. So I'm not going to include shorts in what I'm saying right here, but in my Harley content era, we'll call it, since I've got this bike, I don't have any videos that have more than 1,000 views. I have, I think, 1, maybe 2 that have 500 views. Several of them don't even have 100 views. So I just think that the Harley motovlog market is oversaturated. Not that it really matters. But now I'm going to go buy a Goldwing. Ah, kidding. They are cool bikes, though. I like the Goldwing. This is probably going to be fairly noisy video. I mean, it's kind of windy today. At least we're getting a little bit of sunshine down this way here through the pines. Even coming up with this topic, you know what? I really, just doing straight up motovlogs, I really just don't seem to have it. I guess I could just go back and revisit previous topics. And I do notice that, not really going back to the whole motovlogging is dead kind of theme, but you know, these kind of videos, I just don't think they get a whole lot of views, period. Unless you got something good and, I don't know, controversial to talk about. Or if you're just putting out 5 videos a week and, you know, throw enough crap at the walls, some of it's gonna stick. Is that the key? Is that the key with doing motovlogs like this? Just throw a whole bunch of crap out there and eventually people will possibly watch. I don't know. Oh, that sun feels good. So any of you guys out there that are the YouTubing, motovlogging type, similar to me, what kind of what are your best performing videos? And no, John, I'm not talking about your lawnmower video. That does not count. So, here we go. Continuing to ride on this beautiful day. And how many more of these are we going to get? I don't know. Almost time to harvest those cranberries. Or maybe I missed it already, because it is October. Anyway, see you on the next one, guys.